Potassium iodide solution, and I'm just going to do that first. I'm going to forget. Potassium iodide solution. All right, so 1 positive, group 1 and group 17, group 1 and halogen. So they're going to cancel out the charges, so it's just Ki. All right, let me see what the other thing was. Lead 2 nitrate solution. Lead 2 nitrate. So I'm going to need a parenthesis around here because nitrate has a 1 negative charge. Right, you can do the charges crisscross them. That's in solution. Nitrates are soluble. No exceptions. Actually, I think certain. Just forget that what I just said. Let's switch cations. Potassium, let's write that first. Nitrate. All right, 1 positive, 1 negative. They're going to cancel out. That's just the formula for potassium nitrate. All nitrates are soluble. They dissolve in water. And then lead is going to appear in some of these as your exceptions. All right, so lead 2, remember that's a 2 positive, iodide, so 2 positive, halogen, 1 negative. All right, we're going to need a subscript there of 2. All right, so check your solubility rules. That's going to be a precipitate. All right, your halides are generally soluble, but lead is an exception. All right, let's balance this. All right, potassium iodide. All right, iodine, lead, and nitrate. In that order. Okay, 1, 1, 1, 2. 1 potassium, 2 iodines, 1 lead, and 1. All right, we need to balance out the iodines and multiply where you see on the reactant side by 2 to balance that out. That's right there. All right, we got to update the potassium. We just unbalanced that, so go to the right. Where you see potassium, let's put a 2 there, and don't forget the nitrate. That's also 2, and that does it. 2, 1, 2, 1.